Nikola Motor Company announced that it has selected Buckeye, Arizona, as the future location of its corporate headquarters and hydrogen-electric semi-truck manufacturing facility. Nikola, currently located in Salt Lake City, Utah, designs and manufactures electric vehicles and related drivetrains, components, and storage systems. You have probably heard of the ultra-sleek, approximately 1,000 horsepower, 2,000 pounds-to-foot of torque Nikola 1 sleeper cab and Nikola 2 day cab hydrogen-electric semi-trucks, which can be reserved for a 100% refundable $1,500 deposit. Nikola suggests 8,000 trucks are on pre-order. Nikola truck deliveries are projected to begin in 2020, of course subject to testing and regulation compliance. Selecting a location was no small feat. In fact, it took a year to select Buckeye, the 7th fastest growing city in the country, according to Buckeye Mayor Jackie Met, from the 30 potential site locations spanning 9 states. Not only is it a big deal for Nikola, but it's also a big deal for Buckeye and the greater Phoenix region. Several favorable factors influenced the partnership between involved parties and the ultimate decision: educated, skilled workforce, Governor Doug Ducey's entrepreneur background, pro-business environment, proximity of engineering schools, and geographic access to major markets. The move is projected to bring $1 billion in capital investment to the area by 2024. The 1 million square foot manufacturing plant in Buckeye will be built on a 500-acre parcel of land along the Sun Valley Parkway and future Wintersburg Parkway. The location is at one of the entrances to the Douglas Ranch, Trillium community, which is Eldorado Holdings and JDM Partners' master-planned prototype smart city community estimated to attract more than 300,000 residents. Nikola's R&D and headquarters will be transferred immediately, with the transition completed by October 2018. Construction of the manufacturing facility is slated to be underway by the end of 2019. The change will bring about an estimated 2,000 jobs, which is always a good side effect of doing business in America.